a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome to a Texan Shaves. Been feeling kind of under the weather today. This is Sunday. I guess you'll be seeing this video on Monday. And I need a little pick-me-up, so I thought I'd come here and have a shave. This is a video I've been planning on doing for a little while. I've had this product for a while, and you saw it in the thumbnail, and that is Stirling Soap Company's SB-129. Let me get that straight. Never can tell because my little monitor I use is reversed, so I always end up going the wrong way. SB-129. So the scent description, in the future everything is chrome, azarochrome. Notes of lemon, rosemary, bergamot, neroli, pineapple, jasmine, oak moss, cyclamen, coriander, musk, cedar, sandalwood, cardamom, tonka bean, and rosewood. Man, and I have never had my nose on azarochrome, believe it or not. Man, that smells really, really good. So why SB-129? And if you notice, I don't know if anyone's noticed or not, but if you look at that right there, it's a little sponge. For those of you that don't know, SB-129 is the name of an episode of a SpongeBob episode. I've got some notes here. It was Season 1, Episode 14A. First aired on December 31st, 1999. In the episode, Squidward freezes himself in the Krusty Krab freezer to escape SpongeBob and Patrick, waking up 2,000 years in the future where everything is chrome. So, excellent tie-in to using that for azarochrome. Love the name SB-129. I think it's perfect. For the hardware, something I have not used on camera in a while. I still use it at least once a week. One of my favorite razors. It's in the top 5 in my den, and I'm a bit biased with this one, but of course it's the Lone Star. Beautiful, beautiful razor. Have it with a second or third use Tatara in there. And then continuing on, trying to break this brush for Chris, Lathered Yeti, from Abominable Creations. This beautiful, beautiful brush he made with the Voodoo Yeti logo there. He wants me to give it a good rundown. I used it in the shower shave the past few days, and I'm going to use it right now because he wants to see if the finish breaks down on the handle or not. So I'm gonna try to see if I can break it. And that's it. So let's get the brush loaded and we'll get this shave going. I did notice today being Sunday, so it'll be yesterday for you guys, I received an email from Bull Goose Shaving that they finally have their clearance sale up of 25% off everything in stock, and there's not much left in stock. I did go and look. I had placed an order about a week prior, kind of holding out for a sale, but I'm kind of glad I didn't because the stuff I wanted to get is already gone, so I'm glad I got it when I did. People have been definitely clearing him out, and it's going to be very sad that Bull Goose will be no more. Man, and one thing you'll notice, guys, y'all know I usually buy the sample sizes. I don't know what possessed me, but this time I went for the full tub, and I'm kind of glad I did now that I got my nose on this. It is lovely. What a beautiful lather. That should be plenty. Yeah, I had a lot to do today, and I have done none of it. I just have not felt good today at all. I've just kind of been out of sorts today. But I'm alright. I just want something to pick my spirits up, and that's why I'm doing this shave. I haven't shaved yet, so need the face wet. Wonderful. Man, that is wonderful. Felt good. I hadn't bought a new Stirling in a while. Not since the Black Friday drop, I believe. And they did just drop their March releases. I think that's what they were calling it, the March releases or the spring release, I'm sure. The only thing I don't have is the Arance Mandarini. I think that's the one, or how you pronounce it. I have it in my cart. I haven't bought it yet, so those of you that know that one, let me know in below if I need to pull the trigger on that or not. It sounds amazing. And I can't wait to catch up with Stirling at the Maggots meetup, and any of you that are going. Let's get some water on this. Now this Stirling lather is ridiculous. Jeez, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful lather. This is a freshie. Boy, this is going to be a great summertime fragrance. I got about 2 days growth, so I'm very much looking forward to this. Oh, my old friend, the Lone Star. Been a couple weeks since I've used them. I try to use them at least once a week, but it has been a couple weeks just because of all the new razors I've been reviewing and testing, and I do have one I'm testing right now. Can't talk about it, but I will soon. But also just been reviewing ones that I've purchased that were new from Kickstarters and things. Speaking of, I should have my final video on the Freya this coming weekend. Maybe sooner. We'll see. Oh, this thing just shaves. Amazing. Again, I am biased, but I still say this razor has magic in it. Oh, wonderful. All right. Sorry, I got a little quiet there. Just really enjoying this. I've needed this today. Yesterday I smoked a 6-pound pork butt. Made a huge amount of pulled pork, which I will be taking probably the remainder to work. There's no way my daughter and I are going to eat all that, but it was on an amazing sale at Sam's last week. And I grabbed the smallest one they had. Normally I try to buy around a 4-pound, 3 to 4 pound. And we'll eat on that for a few dinners. Take some to lunch and what have you, but smallest I had was a 6.5. Came out amazing. Oh, this is such a great shave. So how was your weekend? So, Shave Masters tomorrow. We will be using our new collaboration with Pete Hendricks of Hendricks Classics and Company called Barber's Invasion. And we will have all the 411 information on it there. But check out my reels and posts I've been making. I made 7 of them. It's telling a little bit of a story about the Barber's Invasion. So, let's see. Saturday was episode 1. Sunday was episode 2. Today was episode 3, and so on and so forth. Episode 7 will be on the drop day of the 27th. So if you would, check those out. Tell me what you think about it. It was a little fun project I did. I thought it was neat. Anyway, let's get a third pass going. Probably shouldn't, because I probably won't be able to. Somebody's calling me on Instagram. Probably won't be able to shave tomorrow if I do a third. Whoever's calling me, you're going to have to wait. It's a problem with having 2 phones. I forget to silence the other one whenever I do these. Fantastic. Man, this smells amazing. I really need to remember to silence my work phone. Probably should just turn it off on the weekends, huh? Looks like I got a little weeper right there as a bump. That's what it is. Didn't realize I had a bump there. Oh, Stirling slickness is so good. Perfect. Yep. That is a weeper. That is a ball. Yeah, it was going a little bit heavy there. Alright. Alright, go and get a rinse, come back up for the splash and the EDT. My final thoughts. Be right back. Alright. That was fantastic. Hold on. Still have a little bit in my beard. Woohoo! Oh, smooth. Smooth. Wonderful. All right. I hit my neck a little bit with the alum. just for those few little spots that I went a little hard on. Dry off my alum block. Absolutely love PAA's Solemn Alum Block. I can't say that fast, can I? One of the smoothest. It's like rubbing non-cold ice on you. It's so slick and smooth. Just, it does come with a rubber band for a no-slip grip, but I've never really had the need to use it. But man, the feel of that alum versus a crushed alum is just so much better. All right, a little bit of cold water. Rinse it off. Perfect. All right. SB-129. I'm so glad I grabbed this set. I was kind of on the fence about it, and I don't know why. Mainly because I have so many unused Stirling still. But something made me not want to pass this one up, and now I know why. Oh, it's so good. Man, I may have to pick up Azzaro Chrome. I had no idea. Let me know if you like Azzaro Chrome, you know about Azzaro Chrome. I've seen it all over. I've just never smelled it or bought it or tested it or anything. Let me know what you think about Azzaro Chrome down below. Do I need it? I do have the EDT. I don't know. We'll see. But I always like to compare the real, you know. Oh, that is so good. Still got a little bit of weeping going on. That's all right. All right, so that is SB-129. Go check out Stirling. Let me know if I should pick up the Arance Mandarini or not. I guess I could wait till Maggots, but maybe it'll be gone by then. I don't know. And check us out on Shave Masters. Myself, Doug Embry, and John Bonham tomorrow, 7 p.m. Central. Find your peace in what and where you can, and we'll see you next time on a Texan Shaves. Goodbye.